Hello friends, our topic for today is first aid. And what would you do in the case of following situations if you happen to meet with such accidents? Let us see first what is first aid. First aid is given to the patient before the doctor's arrival. Let's start with minor burns. Burns may be caused from hot objects, hot water and fire. If the burn is minor, put the burnt area under running water or soak in ice-cold water. When the burning sensation has subsided, gently apply an antiseptic cream. In case of severe burns, take the person to the hospital immediately. An insect bite or sting may cause redness, itching, pain or swelling. Wash the affected area with soap and water, rub ice on it and apply an antiseptic lotion. Fainting may occur due to reduced blood supply to the brain. If any person faints, do the following. Make the person lie flat on his back. Allow fresh air around the person. Loosen the tight clothing of the person. Check to see that person is breathing. Raise the leg of the person above the head level. This will allow blood flow into the brain. If a person does not recover, take him to the doctor. Food poisoning is caused by eating contaminated food. Following these steps will reduce the harmful effect of food poisoning. Let the affected person take small sips of water. Avoid giving the person tea or coffee. Do not give the person fried, greasy, spicy, sweet and solid food until vomiting stops. Give the person oral rehydration solution, which is also called as ORS, and do not give any medicine without asking the doctor. Accidents can be avoided if we are careful and follow safety rules. So if we happen to meet with such accident, we should know how to deal with that and take quick action before the doctor's arrival.